Hey everybody, welcome to North Fork. Thanks for joining us today. My name's Derek and we're glad you're here. Today we're going to be splitting up a little firewood, and then if we have time, which we should, I'm going to go over here and pull a tree out and cut that up. There was a dead oak tree that fell over. There's dead wood all over the place here. I've got more than enough wood. I can't even burn it all, but this one fell over. It's laying on the ground over here, so it's nice and easy to hook a chain onto it, drag it out, and we'll cut it up into lengths. So that's my goal. That's what I'm hoping to get done. Mama and the kids, they're at away for the week, so it's just me here tonight. So usually I can end up working until 8:30, 9 o'clock, and then go inside and eat supper once it gets dark. But so should have enough time. So let's see what we can get done. Alright, so we got that all split. Got it all in the truck. It's quite the load. Again, I didn't realize it was going to be that big of a load, but we got it all splitting in there. So let's go over and see if we can get this tree out of the woods here before it gets too dark. Alright, so this is the tree that I'm going to pull out here. It comes right down through here, across here. It's an oak tree, maybe 12 inches at the base, 10 inches. It's not real big. This area right here is kind of real big and open. About 2 years ago, this tree right in here, if I can find it, yeah, right here. That was a big hemlock tree, probably 30 inches across at the base. Well, probably bigger than that, 36. And but it broke off about 12 to 15 feet up in the air. There was a big windstorm came through about 2 years ago and snapped the tree off. There's a couple, like I said earlier, there's a couple other oak trees that it brought down back in here. I'll get those out at some point too, but it knocked those trees down. And so I did get a couple logs out of that. That's what all that brush is up in there. And then at the same time that I was going to get those logs cut up, sawed up, this tree here, I could tell that it was rotten right up inside of here, right up through the middle. So I cut that down and got some logs out of that. So these pieces that you see over in here, these are they're basically hollow. There's not any good wood in those. Not even a whole lot of firewood. That's why they're laying there. But this tree that we're looking at comes right up through here, right there. So I'm going to try to cut it, probably cut it right in here where this log is, and try to bring it out two sides. I'm going to try to pull it with the truck. You can see the truck sitting right down in there. I'm going to try to drive the truck, see if I can drive it right up into here, hook a chain onto it, and straps around the logs, and give her a go, see if we can pull it out of here. See if we can do it. Alright, so today I'm just going to use the my MS 170 steel chainsaw. Got a 12-inch bar, just a little saw. Again, the tree's not real big, but the other saws there in the back of the truck, and I just didn't feel like getting them out. And I haven't run this one in a while anyway. But this is a nice little saw. You could throw it in the four-wheeler if you're going for a long ride. Throw it in the car if there's a windstorm coming, you're worried about getting home, something like that. It is a nice light, small saw. Use it for limbing here and there, but overall I don't do a whole lot of that. Like I said, I like the 261. I like all my other saws. This one's okay, but it's small. But anyway, that's what we're going to use right now, so let's get it cut. Alright, so that went pretty well. Got them skidded out right here, right next to the driveway. They weren't that far up in the woods, but right here where I can get to them. Cut them a lot easier. Split them right here, and we can stack them. Nice and easy access. That's just exactly what I wanted. So that's all we got for today. It's getting about time for me to go up and get cleaned up and get something to eat. and get ready for another day. So thanks for joining us. We'll catch you on the next one.